In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video in Behance. If you're looking to showcase your creative work through video on Behance, you've clicked on the right tutorial. We'll walk through uploading a video step by step, ensuring your project is presented in the best light possible. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. To get started, you'll first need to either start a new project or edit an existing one within the Behance project editor. This is your workspace, the place where all your creative magic comes together. Once you're in the project editor, your next step is to locate the Files button within the project body area. If you're wondering where exactly to find this, you should also look towards the right-hand toolbar, as there's an Upload Files option available there too. Both methods will lead you to the next important action, uploading your video. Now, it's time to choose the video file you want to showcase. It's a straightforward process. Just select your file and initiate the upload. As your video is uploading, Behance does something quite helpful for you. It automatically picks a frame to use as the thumbnail. This makes things a bit easier, especially if you're in a rush. However, if you have a specific frame in mind, you can always adjust it later to better suit your vision. As you proceed, there are a couple of important specifications to keep in mind to ensure everything runs smoothly. First, pay attention to the maximum width of your video, which should not exceed 12 and 80 pixels. This is crucial in maintaining a high-quality display across different devices. Also, keep the file size in check. The initial thought might be to upload the largest possible file size, since Behance allows up to 1 GB. However, be mindful that some sources recommend keeping your video file size under 50 MB for optimal performance. Smaller file sizes typically lead to quicker load times and smoother playback, enhancing the viewer's experience overall. By following these guidelines, you set yourself up for success. With your video now added to your Behance project, you're free to continue customizing the rest of your project details and settings. Personalize it to reflect your brand and style, ensuring it captures the essence of your work. And there you have it. You've successfully added a video to your Behance project. This is a powerful way to engage your audience and share your creative vision with the world. If you have any further questions or need additional tips, feel free to explore more resources within Behance. Until next time, keep creating and sharing your amazing work.